happy to be alive, lucky, grateful.
2 steel rods went straight through his chest. How did this LA construction worker survive? Well, tonight and only on 2, he's going to tell us all for the very first time. Sergio Pantoja has quite a story to tell, too. He was working on a high-rise in downtown LA one moment.
And the next moment, he was being rushed to the hospital with 2 pieces of steel rebar still stuck in his body.
Well, he's telling his story of survival for the first time tonight to our Erica Nochlin. Erica.
Yeah, Pat and Jeff, when this happened, Sergio Pantoja was 20 feet off the ground working at what will be a 49-story apartment building, the largest residential construction site on the West Coast. He's now out of the hospital, but he still has a long journey ahead. And a warning tonight, some people may find the video you're about to see disturbing. If you saw it on TV, you'd never forget it. November 1st, downtown Los Angeles.
A construction worker just rushed to the hospital.
2 pieces of steel rebar stuck out of his chest. One piece came less than an inch from a major artery. The other barely missed his heart, and he was conscious through it all. The medical director said at the time, it's a miracle he survived at all. Tonight, we're seeing Sergio Pantoja for the first time since that accident, an accident he isn't sure he'll ever really walk away from. At 28 years old, he suffered a blow to his head, 6 staples in his chest, 6 fractured ribs, and he's now missing 2/3 of a lung.
I was just happy to be alive.
You were conscious during this.
Yeah, that's what they said, but I don't remember anything.
It's all just been blocked out.
Yeah.
Probably shock.
Yeah.
He's got retro and anterograde amnesia, probably because the incident was so traumatic. But he does suffer from very active nightmares.
His attorney, Tina Ojagian, has already filed a workers' compensation lawsuit and says they're looking into all their legal options.
I have never seen anything quite this catastrophic, and it really truly is a miracle that he survived.
Pantoja says he can't look at the video or pictures that so many people saw.
I choose not to. Just don't want to. Just don't want to go back.
He'd rather move forward the best he can with his wife and 2 children, Eli and Adora. It isn't easy. He can't pick up his kids, and his wife is now his caretaker.
It's hard for me to get around now, breathing, things like that.
But he's alive.
I'm just grateful for everybody that was there, that helped me, firefighters, especially coworkers, just anybody that had to do with my accident and made a difference.
OSHA is still investigating if any of the companies involved could have done more to prevent this. Pantoja's attorney says they'll wait on those results before making decisions about further legal action. Pat and Jeff, back to you.
Thank you, Erica. Well, tonight.